Hey guys, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor today, and we're going to show you how to replace the vegetable drawer cover on your Samsung refrigerator. Let's get started. The first thing that we're going to need to do is remove the 4 door bins on the lower part of the left door and the lower part of the right door. For the left door bins, on the middle door bin, you will lift up on the right side first to release it, and then you can pull it out to remove it. For the left door on the bottom door bin, you will do the opposite. You'll start on the left side to lift it up, and then you'll be able to remove it. To remove the right side door bin, you will lift it straight up, and sometimes it's going to help to kind of tap it from the bottom to unlock it and release it. Next, we'll need to remove the 2 vegetable drawers. To do this, you'll pull them straight out until they stop. At that point, you'll lift up on the front of the drawer to pull it out the rest of the way. To remove the vegetable drawer cover, you'll need to simultaneously press the 2 clips on the left and right sides. This will release it from the filter case assembly, which will allow you to lift it out and remove it. If you have a bad vegetable drawer cover and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you search with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To reinstall the vegetable drawer cover, you'll set it on the side rails, and then you'll push it until it's flush with the back wall. Once it's flush with the back wall, you'll lift up on the filter case to lock the 2 pieces together. Next, we'll reinstall the 2 vegetable drawers. You'll want to make note of the notch in the corner. That will line up with the notch around the water filter. So 1 vegetable drawer will go on the left and 1 goes on the right. Those 2 are not interchangeable. When installing the new drawer, you want to make sure the 2 wheels start out at an angle, and then you'll be able to push it into place. To reinstall the left middle door bin, start by pushing the left side in to lock it into place, then push the right side in. To reinstall the lower left door bin, insert the left side, and then push down on the right side until the whole thing locks into place. For the right side door bins, you can just put them in and then push them down. So that's how you replace the vegetable drawer cover on your Samsung refrigerator. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.